right, so we are going to make coconut Thai salmon curry. And this dish takes 30 minutes to make, as long as you've already made your curry paste. So we have our two salmon steaks here. I don't know if I'd call them fillets, but
yeah, steaks are the round ones.
but they're pretty good. They're wild salmon. They don't really eat a lot of farmed salmon because for various reasons. So I'm going to put some salt on it, a little bit of pepper. I have some oil in a pan heating up, and I'm going to cook these guys for 1 minute, skin side up, in my warm oil. Yep. So I'm just going to lay these in. And this is a medium heat, and I just used olive oil. And we'll give them their minute. Over here I have a shallot. 1 lime, I've cut some thin slices off it, and the rest we're going to use for juice. I have a Serrano, a Thai chili would be appropriate. I have some ginger, and some of it grated, but I didn't grate it while it was still frozen, so I ended up just chopping up some of it. So,
Seems like a minute.
Timer on. It's cooking along nicely, though, I'll tell you. So we really just want to brown the top, because we're going to cook it more. So that looks perfect. You can see, looking at the edge, that it's just barely cooked, right? And then we're going to add some.
Ooh, spitting at you.
Yeah. All that fish juice in there. So now we're going to add our shallot and our ginger.
Ooh, that's really spitty.
And we're going to cook this till the shallot gets a little softened. It should not take long. And let's go with a bigger spoon.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's pretty hot. Well, these pans have that solid bottom that limits the heat.
Well, I think it's the presence of water in the fish that causes that. Because just oil by itself doesn't spit.
What are we doing here?
We're cooking this for probably 2 or 3 minutes until the shallot gets softened a little, so we don't have raw shallot in our stuff. So this is looking pretty good. I'm going to add a teaspoon of coconut sugar.
We just buy that in bulk. Our little
And
store.
4 cloves of garlic all chopped up. We'll stir that around, and this is just going to cook for about a minute. Then we're going to go in with our curry paste. Red. Curry paste. We're going to add a little bit of a teaspoon of chili paste. And our fresh chili. the Serrano from the garden. And I don't think I'm going to use the entire thing. Because there are people around here who
Yeah, you could save a little for garnish on your. That'd be perfect, right?
All right,
Those
so now
accents.
this is going to cook for a little while. Yeah. Smells like curry. All right, so that was about a minute and it's looking good. So now we add the coconut milk, which is, this is just one 14-ounce can of coconut milk. The recipe that I was looking at calls for full-fat coconut cream, but we can do our diets a big service by using coconut milk and making sure we get all the cream out of the can. And 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. It's just like a Thai thing. Ooh. Yeah, we are gonna need fish sauce
On the
soon.
list.
Okay.
It's a lot of recipes.
So now we're gonna stir this and we're gonna let this cook and let the flavors marry for a good 20 minutes, probably 15 to 20 minutes. I'm actually making this in 35 minutes rather than 30, so. But this just goes until it's time to cook the fish, and the fish just cooks for 5 minutes and then everything's ready. So simple meal, but it is really delicious. Okay, so this has been cooking along for a couple of minutes here. I'm going to juice the lime into it. And this is also where it would be really nice to have some Thai basil, which we don't. Last time we made this, we walked to the store to get some. But we didn't think about that today. So, this is going to cook for a little while now, and it will thicken up a little bit, and we'll just leave it on this nice little simmer here and give it, let's see, we're going to give this 15 minutes to cook and get all the flavors married together. Then we'll put our fish back in. We'll also go in with these thin slices of lime. They're kind of nice on the plate when you get done serving this up. Alright, so this is cooked along for almost the requisite 15 minutes, and it's gotten nice and thick and gravy-like. So I'm just going to put these salmon pieces in, and we're going to let this cook for 5 minutes. And I've got 5 minutes on the timer already, so it's going to be perfect. This dinner cooks up so fast that dinner's going to be early tonight.
Good. I'm hungry.
It's just so quick and easy. This is a great thing to make. All right, so I covered this so it would cook a little more on top, but this is done. We're going to bring it over here and we are going to plate.
Ooh, it's sizzling.
I guess you want to just get right on it, huh?
Yes, please.
Okay,
I'm so hungry.
stop. We're having this with mashed potatoes. This, it'd be a little normal to have this with rice and maybe a veg, but, we're grown-ups. We can eat however we want.
We'll snack on vegetable later. Give a little. What do you call that?
Little
Crater? A little crater.
Yeah, a little crater.
Yeah.
Butter
Lake.
crater.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then we go with our salmon. This is going to be beautiful. It's not going to be too done.
We don't mind it a little bit rare anyway. Oh. Sorry about the light in here.
And then we need
another spoon.
a spoon. Scoop some of this lovely gravy on there. Get a little bit of lime. Scoop. Some lime.
I know it's still a little pink in the middle, but that's actually just perfect.
I think it looks, just
I mean,
right.
some people might be like, it's
All right,
still
so
work.
I guess some, sprinkle a little color on here. So, you know, a potato mountain has to have a butter crater. And then we can put more sauce on the plate.
Yeah, there you go. You can tell when fall is upon us.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what this gravy is for.
It was good on rice, but
Yeah, it was good on eggs too, I'll tell you.
oh yeah, that's right.
That was,
The leftovers
that was delicious, yeah.
went on eggs.
It's just such a quick and easy curry. That, I think there's no reason not to have this all the time.
Do it. Oh yeah. I want to try it with chicken breast.
Okay, I think that's it.
You want to take a bite and see if it came out okay?
Oh, we can turn the burner on.
Yeah. Post heating.
Oh,
Let me get a nice. Oh, taste.
Oh yeah, cook on that. It's really nice. It's an amazing dish. You know, I don't think I would have thought of putting salmon with curry, but it just really works well.
Is it very spicy? How does
It
spice
is
go?
not very spicy.
Okay, good.
So, I could have put the other chili in there. But anyway, thanks for watching Two Cooks in the Kitchen. Subscribe to our channel and see more of our silliness. And we'll see you next time.